we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on my Dodge Challenger SRT. So no tools needed to replace the wiper blades on our Dodge Challenger. Should be the same process for Dodge Chargers and 300s. Our Mopars will need two 22-inch wiper blades. We have the simple J-hook style wiper arms. So we'll start by lifting up the wiper arm in the upright position. After that, we will rotate the wiper blade outwards to access the plastic locking tab. Next, we'll depress the locking tab and pull downward towards the Mopar. Finally, we'll insert the new wiper blade into the J-hook wiper arm and push upward away from the Mopar until we hear the locking tab click. Let's go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Insert the new wiper blade into the J-hook wiper arm and push upward away from Mopar until the lock tab clicks again. After that, let's test this baby out. Let's wiggle the wiper blade, move it up and down, and make sure that it's locked into place. After that, lower the wiper blades into the windshield, and then we are done. So for today, we used the Bosch Clear Advantage beam style wiper blade. Our OEM wiper blades on my Challenger are the frame style, so I wanted to try a beam style one out and see how that goes. What style of wiper blade do you guys use? It's been said that the OEM wiper blades hug the windshield better because of the frame pressing on multiple sections of the windshield. Let's see how the beam style ones perform. Also, we will be keeping the OEM style wiper blades because supposedly we keep the frame and just replace the wiper blade. I like to look into that and see if we could just order the rubber blade and then insert that back in and give it a go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Please hit the subscribe button, really appreciate it.